Hi everyone, welcome back to our little UK fish room. In today's video we will show you how to breed, hatch and raise Haludaria Fasciata, more widely known as the red panda or melon barb.
For this video we will be breeding the red panda barbs directly in their permanent aquarium.
This 240 litre or 42 gallon custom aquarium also houses Narayan barbs, black ruby barbs, leopard corridorus and duplicate corridorus.
To successfully breed red panda barbs this way, you will need some marbles for the eggs to fall in between, a basic spawning mop, and a small plastic container. If you observe your barbs for a few hours, you'll notice the dominant male red panda barb will have already established some territory in the aquarium. This is where you will want to place the spawning trap.
The following morning you should observe the dominant male spawning with several females, which will go on for several hours until the early afternoon. The male will energetically defend his territory, chasing away any fish other than female red panda barbs that dare to get too close. Sexing mature red panda barbs is incredibly simple, as the males develop a deep red coloration, especially when spawning, and the females are somewhat duller and brownish in coloration.
It's about 2 hours later and we have removed the spawning trap from the aquarium and carefully extracted the marbles and breeding mop. We have about 40 viable eggs or thereabouts. The viable eggs are the clear to transparent ones. There's a couple that are looking fertile. They are the milky white ones. There's a good example of an infertile one, so we'll just pull out that. For the purpose of this video, we will be growing out the fry in a 25 litre aquarium with an air stone and a heater set to 78 Fahrenheit. The water is just dechlorinated tap water. It's day 2, just less than 24 hours since removing the eggs. And as you can see, we already have a wriggler that has developed a tail. You can also see a lot of paramecium naturally forming already, which will make an excellent first food in just a few days from now. Day 3 and their eyes are starting to form. Day 4 marks the most significant change in the fry's development, as their eyes are now fully formed and they are starting to crawl around the aquarium looking for paramecium to feed on. Day 5 and they are finally free swimming. It's day 6 and the fry have polished off much of the naturally occurring infusoria. Today we are giving them their first feed of microworms, the only live food we will provide while raising the fry. For us, microworm is the most straightforward food to culture, and now that we have begun feeding, we have also added in a small cycled sponge filter. Day 13 and the fry is starting to develop a black vertical stripe mid-body. Day 18, and we have started transitioning the fry from microworm and onto decapsulated brine shrimp eggs.
It's day 19 and we have moved the fry to a larger grow-out aquarium containing around 200 red Panda Barb fry, some of which are up to 2 weeks older than the fry you have been watching develop. As you can see, they are starting to develop some orangey red coloration, and we will continue to grow them in this larger aquarium. That brings us to the end of our how to breed, hatch and raise red Panda Barbs. If you like these kinds of breeding videos, please let us know in the comments and we will aim to create more how to breed videos in the future. Thanks to all our subscribers for supporting our channel, and we will see you shortly with the next video.
Thanks for watching.